welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in the last part we went over color calibration. This time we're going to use photometric color calibration and see if that yields us any different results. So the first thing I want to do is I want to drag this, just grab the tab here, just drag it anywhere else, and we create ourselves a clone of the RGB image. And if we look at the history, RGB clone, initial state, and the history look going up to it. We had our dynamic background extraction, changed the name, did our color calibration, and then became a clone. So we have everything in that one as it stands. And if we come over here and we undo that color calibration, we're back to where we were. So I just want to restretch this back. And now we're going to do photometric color calibration. In this particular case, we're going to double click on our process icon. And a fair amount of these are going to be defaults. We need to change our focal length to 1960 in my case. Pixel size, if I remember correctly, is 3.4. But what we can do is we can do an acquire from image. And it did do our right ascension, our declination, date and time stamp, focal length, and our pixel size. So one of the other nice things about using FITS files as opposed to RAW, like in a DSLR, we get to retain a lot of that information in the FITS headers as we move along the process in PixInsight. So that is excellent. By reference, we'll just leave it as Spiral Galaxy. We could select something else, but I always use Spiral Galaxy. It always seems to work pretty well. Our database server. Only two US options. I am in the US, so Cambridge and Hawaii, and Cambridge is closer to me. And plate solve, use the automatic catalog. And everything else I'm going to leave the same. And let's, advanced plate solving, yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to just go ahead and drag it and drop it on here, and we'll see what it comes back with. Alright, that has completed. So we're going to close out the white balance functions. And I'm just going to minimize this real quick. And let's shrink that one. And let's put them side by side. This one's changed. I'm going to undo the stretch and redo the stretch, and they look pretty similar. Just looking around, nebula, looking through here, and this one might have just a touch more red in it inside there than this one. But a lot of the stars look alike. So in the end, to use the process that you feel is easier for you and which one that you're more comfortable with. They seem to be yielding roughly the same results, at least with my data. Your data might vary, so we'll move on to the next process. I'm going to close out my photometric color calibration. I'm going to leave it with the PCC, and I'm going to close out the color calibrated one and just make sure I've got, yep, there's the PCC. So next part, we'll be doing some denoising again. So with that, I want to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astroimaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.